How to use Zendesk for beginners. Now in this quick video, I'm gonna show you just a quick overview on getting started with Zendesk. Now it's gonna be a long video if we're going to tackle everything from here, but I'm just gonna provide you additional information on how on or where you will start using this platform. So first, Zendesk is actually a cloud-based customer service and engagement platform designed to manage customer support, sales, and communication across multiple channels through email, chat, phone, social media, in one unified workspace. So for you to get started is of course visit their official site, which is going to be zendesk.com. Once you're here, you should be able to see this option here that says view demo for you to have like a physical overview on how to get started with this. In this, you will see customer reviews, agent experience, analytics, workforce management, quality assurance, and contact center. You can also try to view the download link if you would like to have this specific software by going back into this page and then input your work email or your personal email address here for you to be able to start your free trial. And that's it. That is just a quick view on using Zendesk for beginners.